how to quickly delete all liked videos on YouTube. So if you want to quickly delete all liked videos on your YouTube, then what you need to do is, you just need to simply open up your YouTube application at first. After opening your YouTube, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with settings, which is on the top right. From your settings, you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with history and privacy. You can tap on manage all history. It will take you to the Google account or to your YouTube history. Now you can tap on interactions, which is on the top right. From the interactions, you will have video likes and dislikes, or comment likes and dislikes. So you need to tap on the video likes and dislikes. And here you will have all of the videos that you have liked. So you just need to simply go and go with the cross, which is on the right side, and it will delete all of the liked videos of today. In the same way, you need to go with yesterday's liked videos and then delete it. And then in June 27, or you can also just simply go and select all of these at once, and then you can delete all of these videos. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.